Welcome back to Huffler Garage. So we're back here today with our Mustang. So we're just doing some mild improvements to this car. So the thing we're doing today is this cowl between the windshield and the hood is quite weathered, it's cracked, it's busted. So we are actually going to replace this. There are two different styles that you can get. You can get the OEM style that is a one piece. There also is a two-piece, which most people go with because you can get them for about 30 bucks. So we were actually on Amazon and we found this Dorman, which is a single piece, close to OEM. And the initial quality of this one, which will look a lot better than the two-piece, as far as we can tell, if you look at it, it exactly resembles it. It looks nice. There are a few things that could have been done better. So this little weather strip here has actually fallen off. We will reattach it as we put this back on. And that's what we're going to show you today. So please like and subscribe. And here we go. So the first thing we're going to do is we got to remove the windshield wipers. So instead of trying to do all the finagling to put them back on in the right place, we're going to use masking tape. We're going to mark where the wipers actually go, and that way we get them back on exactly set right. So you can take a piece of tape, and just line it up with that blade. So there, you know, when you put it back on, that blade is going to sit right on that line. We'll do the other one as well. So to pull these off, there's just a pin here. And that pop right off. So we're going to pop the hood now. And to start, we're going to remove this little sill strip. Pulls right off. There's that. So when you come in here, it's supposed to be pinned in. This one, because it's cracked and busted, it doesn't look like there's a center pin. Actually, well, as you can see, there's plenty of pieces. Alright, so as we remove this a little bit, once this is back, you'll pull the nozzles off. And they can be kind of seized on there. Twist them a little bit. And as you can tell, just piece by piece it comes out. You'll definitely, if it breaks apart like that, you're definitely going to want to make sure these nozzles come out of the edge. Get them to twist a little bit. They break off in there, you might have trouble getting them off. Once they come out like that, my gosh. Woo! Grab all the pieces. And that's basically how you remove it. Open up our hood. And we are ready to start putting this thing back together. We have our new piece. It's going to slide right in. So as you're putting this cowl in, definitely make sure that you reconnect your washer nozzles and make sure that that hose is clipped into the front side of the cowl. The quality on this Dorman, the plastic itself is pretty nice, but the rubber trim and the way they glued it on there, we weren't even able to use this piece. So, but we've got it back in. Make sure all your clips clip on, that way it steadies it on there. And then don't forget to put your push pin clips back in the front side. Alright, so these little push pins, right now we only have 2 of them. It does take 3, so we'll come back and add the 3rd one. But on the front side here, easy enough. You just press it in. Actually, you may want to take the screw out first. That pushed in, then the centerpiece can go in. Alright, and then we'll move to the next side. Get that centerpiece in, and then we'll be good to go. Once all that is pushed in, all looks good. So last but not least, we got to install our seal. So just make sure your groove goes down on there, and it basically just clips all the way across. You pull it back to line it up. And voila, there's that last seal. Put the hood down and we can put our wipers back on. Alright, so we're going to put our windshield wipers back on. As you put these on, like we said, if you do this, you see what happens. So you're going to want to line them up. And there you have another satisfied lover. Alright, so we got this all back installed. Got our wiper blades on. As you can see, these are a little crummy. We eventually plan to take these off, hit them with some trim paint. That way it matches and looks good with our new cowl. This cowl we did get off Amazon for 70 bucks. We'll add the link in the description in case you need to replace yours as well. We hope you've enjoyed our video. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you again.